Hello, my dear students. So, today we are going to learn one new poem from your English Balbharti textbook. The name of the poem is My School. Now, first we will recite the poem and later on we will understand the meaning of each stanza. Now, let us start reading the poem. Although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. And off we go to play and roam, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself. But then perhaps she doesn't mind. So, this is the poem After School. Now, let us understand each stanza. Although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. Now, here, what is given in the poem? What they are trying to tell us? They are telling us that we are small children and we love to go to school. You also want to come to school? Same way, this little students, they are telling that we like to go to school, we love to go to school. But we can keep our books and slates. But we can keep our books, slates, our notebooks, our textbook and crayons, everything in our bag when our school is leaving. Now, you all are very excited, you all are very happy when you come to school. But when it is time to go to home, what you do? You start packing your bag very quickly. You keep your books, textbooks, your compass, your crayons, your everything fast in your bag. So, same way, these little students, they are also telling that we like to come to school, but when it is time to go back home, we start putting our books, slates and other things into our bag very quickly. Now, although, meaning of although is even though, means even though they like to come to school. Glad, glad means very happy. Glad means very happy. Put away. Put away means to keep. Put away means keep. Now WERE, VR. It is the short form of VR. WEVARER. Now let us see what is given in the next stanza. And off we go to play and roam, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself. But then perhaps she doesn't mind. Now, the little children are telling that we go home running because we are very happy as we are going back to home. ROMP, romp means to play very energetically, to put all your energy, all your stamina, all your strength while playing. When you go home, you go playing home, running, jumping very happily. But did you see what, students? when you are going home, your teachers do not come with you. You are going home happily, but the teacher, she waits back after the school to complete her work. Once her work is done, at that time only she can leave the school. So the students are telling, our teacher, she is very good, she is very kind, she is very helpful. She leaves us home, but she stays in the school. But she do not mind, means she do not get angry because she want to wait back after the school. She is very happy. Why she is waiting in the school? She is waiting in the school just to complete her work. The students are telling, our teacher don't mind that she has to wait back after the school. She is waiting back after the school very happily because she want to complete her work. So, romp means play very energetically, to put all your energy in playing. DOESNT, doesn't, means does not. Doesn't is the full form of DOES, does, NOT, not, does not. So this was the poem After School which we learned today. Try to understand this poem and learn it. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.